Hi guys and welcome back to Crypto Chester. I'm here today to give you a BTC update. We're going to be going through the short-term timeframes for BTC and also the longer-term timeframes as well. Once we're done with that, we're going to be hitting up the trade of the day. This is a trade of the day that I show you guys that I'm potentially going to be taking if the market conditions are right. We will also be going through some very key indicators which are going to be showing you guys how you can be making money throughout trading these very tricky market conditions. Now, starting off with the giveaway, guys, going to be jumping straight into the giveaway from yesterday's video. I just want to say, who was the winning comment from yesterday? It's going to be Mel G. You have won 1 week on the WOB machine. So that's the indicator that I use across my charts literally all day, every day to make money. So make sure you drop me a message on Telegram and I will literally get you added to that today. If you guys do want to enter the giveaway and you want a chance of winning access to this indicator, make sure you like the video. Make sure you comment on the video with your opinions about BTC, and I will basically get you into the giveaway and they'll be released on tomorrow's video. Also, guys, if you're looking to trade Bitcoin or trade a lot of other crypto assets, jump to this link on BitGet here. If you haven't made yourself an account already, you can get a bonus of up to $4,000. And also, they've got zero spot trading fees at the moment, so you can buy literally any crypto pair that they host for free, literally for free with no fees, right? Amazing stuff. So yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into Bitcoin here on the shorter term time frame. You can see we're going to be starting off on the hourly time frame, guys. Let's talk about what we were talking about yesterday just briefly. We did have a symmetrical triangle chart pattern at the top of this uptrend. That is a that's a bullish pennant chart pattern, guys. It tends to usually mean continuation to the upside. What have we seen? We've seen continuation to the upside. Pretty good stuff. Now, what am I looking for Bitcoin right now? It is going to be this upward sloping parallel channel, guys. This upward sloping parallel channel that has formed. You can see the support on the lower side here. Very strong stuff indeed, which we are currently testing right now. And you can see the resistance on the top side. Now, why is this important? It's very important because there is a potential micro short to be had here, and I'll get into percentages in a minute. But also, it's very important because we have seen quite a big percentage move in Bitcoin over the past 2 days or so, right? It's up around near enough 9%. Absolutely crazy stuff. So what does this tell us? It tells us that we need at least a 2 or 3% pullback. Let's get some percentages out of this chart pattern right now, because this is going to be the measure move down, guys. It's not going to be the biggest thing in the world, but it's still going to be profit that we can be capitalizing on, right? And as I said, we need that pullback for it to be a healthy uptrend. It's going to be around 1% move to the downside. The candle body close that I'm sort of looking for will be below the 21 EMA here, and then basically riding that bad boy down. Just riding that bad boy down to that 1% measure move there. So that's sort of what I'm looking for here for Bitcoin if we do break the chart pattern to the lower side, which, to be honest, I think it's very likely. And I will go into this on the longer term time frame, why we are due a pretty significant pullback. In terms of the MACD, guys, we're in a downtrend right now. So if we're going to have continuation here, that trade's going to be looking pretty good for that. Directional movement index, guys, we're coming ever so close to a bearish crossover here on the chart, and that's where when the positive comes down and crosses with the negative. And if we do have that cross with the ADX currently sat right the way up at about 43 there, we know this is insane, guys. It's absolutely insane. It shows that we're going to have I'm talking a really strong downtrend, okay? Because the ADX determines how strong the trend is going to be at the time of the crossover, okay? So that's definitely something to be looking out for there. Let's look at the RSI for a second. You can see we had a bearish divergence coming through yesterday. Didn't play out very strongly, so that might mean there is some room left in the tank. We are in the bullish control zone still at this time, overextended, overbought. We'd need a goddamn pullback for this to be healthy, right? And that's why I'm saying this trade that we were just talking about, that 1% is not completely out of the question. Moving on to the midterm time frame, the 4-hour time frame here for Bitcoin. I am actually long on Bitcoin right now, and you can see my reasoning why. You can see the range that we've been talking about for God knows how many weeks, guys. We've been talking about this range, and the range has been between 20,300 and 18,300, that sort of area, and you can see something along the lines of this. So what we have been waiting for is an essential break of this zone, right? A break of this level of resistance, right? You can see the resistance coming through from here. The resistance that we were testing. Now, we broke that to the upside. We broke the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement there, which was the confirmation that we are going up, okay? Good stuff, amazing stuff coming through. I would have liked a bit more of a pullback, but didn't quite get it. So I got in on the candle body close here at around the 4-hour, around 20,590. And from there, we did actually see a colossal dump all the way back down to 20,300. I was a little bit worried here, guys, but I knew the Fibonacci retracement was there. I knew the horizontal level of support was there. So it was okay. I held my guns and basically letting it run. The measure move for this is absolutely huge, guys. It's 11.27%. Would I like to go for that full move? Yes, I really, really would. But at the moment, in terms of this market structure, just looks so bad. We need a big pullback, and the most likely scenario here is us coming right back down to 20k and not extending all the way up to hit that 22,700. Hey, we could. Bitcoin is looking fairly bullish with these moves, but in terms of market structure, it's not a very good risk-reward scenario here. So I'm basically taking profit as I'm going up. So currently I've taken 50% of my position out at a profit of around 1.68%. Still got 50% of my trade left in. My stop loss is around entry. I might move it to around 20,200 and something along the lines of that, below two very major volume weighted ATR bands, because we know how good these are for levels of support there. I'm just going to see how it goes, but at the moment it is an entry, guys. So yeah, just see how that goes. If we do start to propel up, amazing stuff. I will be making copious amounts of cash, but right now I do believe that we are due a pullback. It just looks a bit too good to be true. In terms of indicators right now, guys, let's have a look at the DMI on the midterm time frame. You can see the ADX is really, really high. It shows a very strong uptrend, but it was pretty low. It was around 19 at the time of the crossover. This shows that the trend is a bit too good to be true, right? In terms of the RSI, guys, seriously overbought. Again, we are due a big pullback from that, or even just some consolidation, right? Consolidation would be the best scenario here, because that would bring us back down to the central zone of the RSI. But right now, it's not looking like that, guys. If we are going to consolidate for a significant amount of time, then to bring the RSI down, it would be consolidation till probably this weekend, early this weekend, right? Until Saturday, until we get to this area. So this is sort of the area that we need for sideways action to basically be playing out, for the RSI to be coming down and looking a bit more healthy for another leg up. As I say quite a lot, guys, we cannot climb Mount Everest without resting at base camp 1. And this right now is a Mount Everest parabolic motion. We need a base camp 1 in terms of consolidation. Rest up, get some air, get some food, and then what can we do? We can actually take another leg up for base camp 2, right? So that's sort of the area that we're looking for there. If Bitcoin, that's sort of the healthiest scenario for Bitcoin that we kind of really want there. But that's going to be it for the midterm time frame. Let's jump to the longer term time frame. This is the move to the upside here, up to around 22,000 there. Looking pretty crazy. Falling wedge scenario, guys. We were talking about this. We were talking about the breaking above all major moving averages there as well. I do just want to say major monthly pivot point is sat at around 21,590. This is the area that I really do want to be cautious of, guys, because the resistance from these monthly pivot points are very, very crucial. They have been really quite horrific every time that we have seen significant pumps, okay? So we basically need to take this into consideration when we do come up to this area, if we do come up to this area, guys. Let's talk about the stochastic RSI on the daily as well. This is looking really quite bad, guys. We're seriously overextended again, and look at all the times that we see this overextendedness come through. We're due a crossover. We're due a bearish crossover, being overbought here, and when this does happen, guys, we usually see a colossal dump in the price for Bitcoin. So this is another reason why I do think we are going to be coming down fairly soon. Whether we come up to 22,000 first and then crash down is still on the cards, right? It's still there. Monthly pivot point is there as well. Massive trend line there on the daily there as well. There's a few factors. There is a few factors, but I do think we're not just going to absolutely propel it up to the goddamn moon right now. Moving on to the key indicators and how you can be making money in this market. You can see we did have a lovely buy signal for the ultra swing package, the linear trend spotter coming through. You can see the buy signal coming through. It's been quite a long time since we had an actual signal from this indicator, but we did get it, did go long on that, and basically mooning that bad boy all the way up from candle body open to now, currently up at around 2.61%, maybe a bit less. Yeah, 2.42%. So pretty good stuff there. So well done to everyone who is involved in the ultra swing package. Good stuff. Hopefully you're taking profit along the way. Moving on to the super trend spotter here. We did also get another buy signal coming through, looking pretty good as well. And you can also see the triple EMA and double EMA is getting further and further apart, which is very, very good indeed for the respect of this trend. But as I was saying a second ago, we need a pullback, we need a higher low to have continuation to the upside. That's sort of what I'm looking for there. Moving on to the premium scalp package, guys. Did the wrong way around today, actually. You can see actually this on the scalping side of things, we have had a sell signal, guys. So ideally we do want to see a big dump down to the 55 EMA here, and that is going to be around 20,300. completely feasible, completely good stuff indeed. I haven't taken this sell signal at this time because I'm pretty much long across the board, so I don't really want to hedge myself that bad. But yeah, this is it's definitely something that could actually play out. What I would really be looking for confirmation here would be 2 significant bearish candle body closes. That's 2 red candles in a row outside of this price action channel, because when this does happen, it tends to usually mean that we are seeing some trend coming into fruition, right? For example, 2 bullish candles coming through like so, massive move to the upside. You can see 2 bearish candles coming through like so, we have a nice move to the downside. So this is sort of really what I'm looking for here for Bitcoin here on the 15-minute chart. If we do see this come through, we're actually seeing a bit of a micro dump coming through right now. But yeah, that's gonna be it from the premium scout package. Let's move on to the trade of the day. The trade of the day today that we're looking for is gonna be a bit of Solana, guys. Bit of Solana coming through. The trade of the day is gonna be worth around 3.03%. Currently for Solana, we are seeing a bull flag scenario coming through. Bull flag scenario usually means continuation to the upside, guys. So this is really something that I would be looking out for there, and basically be doing some research on yourself. Obviously, it's not financial advice. Please don't go copy any of these trades. We are currently 12 trades in a row in terms of our success rate, looking pretty goddamn good, okay? 12 trades in a row, pretty good stuff. So if this does come through, that's going to be pretty good as well. I would be looking for a potential bounce from this trend line for this level of support if Solana is going to get to this area. But that's sort of what I'm going to be looking out for there, guys. Jump to the Telegram to keep updated with this. I will be showing you guys updates for this trade of the day throughout the day in the Telegram, which is in the top right-hand corner. But that's going to be it from me, guys. Be safe. Trade safe out there, because I know it's a pretty tricky time. And again, guys, if you are looking to trade Bitcoin or you're looking to trade any of the coins that I have been talking about, jump to BitGet, jump to this... Jump to the link in the description of this video and basically sign up and get your bonus today. But that's going to be it from me for now. That's going to be it from me for now. But for now, peace out. Goodbye from me, Crypto Chest. Goodness me.